if you have a cloud-based course platform like Teachable or Thinkific or one of the other major course platforms, you can create a minor form of community without having to manage an entire community platform. When you create a course inside of the course platform, one of the things you can do is within the course lessons is you can make it so that individuals can comment on individual course lessons. This typically means then you will have the thread turned on so that when individuals come to watch this particular lesson, they'll then be able to comment and participate with both you and the other members of the course. What this will look like to the individuals taking the course is they will then be able to work here in order to post a specific comment. The comment will have their avatar along with it, and you will get notification of that comment. You'll want to make sure that you have notifications turned on inside of your account. And you'll also want to make sure that you instruct students to have their comments turned on when they are participating in the course. Now, inside of Teachable in particular, and most course platforms will allow you to do this, you can change some of the language surrounding comments. So if you have something that is branded that you want the customer to see other than the word comment, you can rebrand that language so that it will be consistent with everything else that you are doing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.